Hello, everybody. Hello, hello.
Hello, everybody. Hello.
Audio's working. Very good, very good. Audio's working everywhere. Spectacular. Oh, Loki spoilers will get you banned. Oh yeah, I can remove this. I can remove this stuff. When Heimdallr was in here, and we didn't want him to like. Yeah, Chris Estrada voting is live. That's true. True fans. How many true fans? I think we have more. A lot of people. I think it's going to be Amber Temple. Is my guess. What's up, Fizz? Have a great night. Thanks for stopping in. I appreciate it. Hope everything's going well with you. I haven't talked to you for a long time. All right, true fans. True fans. 2. Wait, really? Okay, 2, 3. 8 plus 10. Whoa, shit. What? That can't be right. 28. So it's 2 more. 28! We're doing it. We're making it. Okay, folks, are you ready for this? So I went ahead and I did get, what did I do? I got Unity installed, and I got another step. So the plan for the evening is to check to see if the States plugin is working. I really like the States plugin, and it's like not working, and I'm wondering, it's got to be something I'm doing wrong, right? So I want to get the States plugin working correctly, and yeah, update all of them, please. States plugin. So there's the States plugin, and custom mini plugin. Actually, let's get Hollow's version. I think it's the Thunderman plugin. For easy custom asset install. Yes, download with dependencies. So HollowFox made a mod that basically will allow you to install assets easy from the mod manager. It doesn't help if you have like custom stuff from Hero Forge yet. But like, for example, I'm gonna get this mini demo pack of Aasimar and the demo pack of Aarakocra. And we will see, there's like, what are the other, there's a whole bunch of other fucking plugins now too. I don't even know what stat messaging is. I think it's a backend thing. They're getting animation support. Asset bundle loader plugin. Dependency for plugin for other plugins to provide easy asset bundle loading on startup and runtime. Apparently nothing I have needs that. Mirror mini. Handouts. Character view. Okay, tried that one. Toggle character names. These are all the old BR coding ones. Lord Ashes created what is icons? 3 icons on the base. Icons are toggled from a GUI menu. Dude, yeah, I want to check that shit out. Icons. Change the base color or through a series of colors when the base is selected. Mark mini conditions or make the selected mini more obvious. Or like if they're hurt, like these ones are bloody, and then the knockover state from the radial menu. Oh man. HollowFox added a thing where they could add buttons to the radial menu, and that's fucking hot. Okay. Let me throttle down the tunes just a touch. It's a little loud for me. I don't know how loud it is for you. We shall see. We shall see. I'll move this out of the way a little bit. Okay. Actually, I need to write down what all we just installed. Okay, so GlowBase, Knockdown, base icons. We should probably watch the video on that. I mean, he went to the trouble of making a video for it. You should watch it. If it's not...
Quick demo of the icons plugin for TaleSpire. The icons plugin adds the ability to toggle icons on the mini base on and off. you can select from a number
Can you hear
of
that?
icons
Probably not.
from a GUI menu.
Probably can't hear shit. Here, hang on.
So we can see here a couple of
Oh, it's app 2. Okay, you can hear it.
And on
Oh,
the
look at those
base,
adorable little icons.
when you select a mini and hit Control I, default shortcut,
Control I.
you will get a menu.
Oh my
of
god,
these
that's
icons.
sick.
These icons can be customized. If the icon is already present, it will toggle it off. If it is not present, it will add it.
Are you people? Are you seeing this? Do I have viewers? This is a big fucking deal.
If I do
This is a big fucking deal.
you can see now I've gone to one icon because the other one was already present.
This is a big deal.
Fire. And I can add
This tastes like slabs and boards. Thank you very much.
same thing if I grab this mini.
Oh yeah.
Remove that one.
Oh, Mr. Zircoon. Okay, hang on. I gotta. So we just installed. We just installed a shit ton of mods, new ones. Look at this one from Lord Ashes.
So we can see here a couple
it puts little tiny states. It puts little tiny states on the token on the base.
When you hit
and you can customize it.
Mini and hit Control I, default shortcut.
And you can select from a little list.
A menu of different
That's so fucking cool.
Can be customized. If the icon is already present, it will toggle it off.
That is so cool.
The base supports up to 3 icons that can be displayed at once. So if I do this poison, you can see now.
Yeah. That's amazing.
If I add something like fire.
Lord Ashes and Hollow Fox, neck and neck. Hey, what's up, Christopher Walskin? Walzak? Christopher Walzak. I wanted to say Christopher Walken's super fucking bad. Yeah, that's... Okay, I get it. I don't know that I need to watch another 2 minutes of it. Or 5 minutes of it.
So that they're always facing the user. But
the icons are always facing the camera.
Mini that is not selected is not. As soon as I select that mini,
look at that.
it will update to,
dude, it's the little things.
Icons in the direction.
Lord Ashes, fuck, man.
So those are kind of the limitations of the.
Wonder how hard it would be to also make them give the mini an animation like poison damage. So
it is less taxing.
He already has it. His CMP plugin, the custom mini plugin, it has animations where they can import models that have bones and stuff and have them like play animations. I don't think there are any yet, but all of the infrastructure is there for it. And they've been talking about it like mad in the Discord. Okay, so GlowBase, Knockdown, base icons. Then we're gonna do so asset bundle import is different than like a random custom mini. Yes, I did say custom minis. What's up, Look Like Pot? So I looked up how to do the custom minis, and I need an object file and I need an MTL file, but I don't know Blender. I don't know all this stuff. So I'm trying to like hunt around the internet to find some. Hey, Little Clay Pot, you said you got the Hero Forge import working. Can you send me the files that you use? You are a 3D animator modeler? Okay, so when we get here, so let's do Hollow Fox's. So Hollow Fox made a version that's super easy. After we do the easy one, let's try the hard one, assuming you can stick around and help me out with it. Basically, he's like, make a folder, put an MTL file in there, and put an OBJ file in there, and you're fucking done at that point. Then it's like, you rename a mini in the game, and it just like works. But I'm having a hell of a time just like finding one. I don't really want to have to go into Unity and like make my own. I just want to fucking download one. And Thingiverse, all it has is STL files. And I went to another site. I went here and I like got a little Robo OBJ file. Right? And it's going to be wrong. It's going to be whack, but and I have Unity installed. Like, I'm familiar with Unity. I'm just not going to be able to like go in there and run a bunch of stuff to reduce the poly count and all this other horse shit. So, well, this makes me nervous. 0 polygons? All my guys in our D&D group have a ton of their own S. Yes. So there is a way to get them from STL to whatever it's needed. I'm just an idiot. I mean, it's just not in my... I mean, so here's, for example, here's a specific walkthrough converting Hero Forge tokens for TaleSpire. So there is a walkthrough for it, but there's like this converting normal maps from Asset Studio to Unity format that I'm just like combining ambient occlusion, metallic textures, and fixing the specular channel. That shit, I'm like, I can't do this. I can't do that. I mean, I could do that. It's only a time thing. Yeah, I could do it. It would just take a while. It would take me a while. So I don't know that today I'm going to be able to do the full Hero Forge to TaleSpire run through. But if not today, I mean, I want to do it like soon. I want to learn how to do this. Probably not by Thursday, but maybe by next Tuesday. It's only a matter of time before hopefully the UI thing that HoloFox has created will just be like, point me to an STL and we're done. You know what I mean? I can probably share it with you. But I didn't just fucking delete it, remove it. Where is it? Here. I don't think anybody cares. And then the other one is importing models into TaleSpire by hand is a different one. I don't know if there's a difference between the two. There you go. Go crazy. And Christopher Walzak, if you are interested in doing 3D modeling, specifically for TaleSpire or whatever, you could join the TaleSpire modding Discord. There's a bunch of people doing 3D models. I don't know what the rules are though for inviting people. It's kind of like right now an unofficial underground situation. But I can, if you're really interested and you want to talk to them about it, because there's a whole channel that's like just 3D modelers, and fucking hell, dude, are you shitting me? Oh my god, you got to see this. Working on a star spawn material for some ethereal enemies. What is that? The fuck? Wow, that's a cool one. And this is the demon that they're working on. I mean, there's a whole fucking community of people being like, how do I make the vertices meshes of the horse shit? You know what I mean? I'm sorry, I'm mixing being funny with it, but they're actually like very, 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 very skilled. Here, let me get it. I'll send you an invite because you seem legit. Where did that go? I asked to send you a whisper, but I don't know where my Twitch page is. Oh, here we go. Christopher Walzak. There you go. Don't be an asshole, please. Or they'll get mad at me. Okay, so GlowBase, Knockdown, base icons, the easy, yeah, I'll do easy. Asset bundle import. What? Oh, dude, Little Clay Pot. Did you see that? The hide volume group plugin. That was another bounty of mine that HoloFox finished for me. Greatest fucking $100 ever. It'll save me so much fucking time. Oh my god. And they're going to get it updated so that the hide volume group data is in the board. And so if you have the plugin and you import someone else's board, theoretically, the hide volumes will still be grouped. Writing campaign on Pattern Sleeping. I'm with you. I can't run a game and also do all this content production stuff as much as I daydream about it every fucking day. And actually, Patreon has complicated that. Yes, hide volume groups. As in combining hide volumes to have more shapes and prisms. Yes! Yes! And you can thank HoloFox. Send him a Starbucks goddamn gift card. Yeah, little clay pot. I mean, I want to balance the two, right? Like, I mean, it's not actually long if the Patreon does well that like Heimdallr can quit his job. I think at the point that the Patreon is making $1,600, that it'll just all go to Heimdallr, and he will make random encounter boards, and he will make probably we're gonna write a bunch of adventures and stuff. I think is the plan, like write adventures that have boards and all kinds of stuff. Is this mine? No. Where's my? Do I have a test one? Plugin testing. Okay. First up is the GlowBase. Yeah, no, you're young. You are young. Young and hopefully COVID-free. Fucking fuck you, Fog. Hate it. And then I want the background to be blue because blue is better. Okay, so did I lower the exposure? It seems dark. Okay, first up is GlowBase. So let's go read the GlowBase documentation. Like responsible people. View on website. All right, first up is GlowBase. How do we use it, man? For changing the base color or cycling through a series of colors when the base is selected. Blah, 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 blah. Install using R2 Modman. This should already be done. To add the base paint icon. Merge the contents if the TaleSpire custom data exists. This better have already been done for me. I'm sick of having to do this unzipping all myself. Usage. Select the menu and then right click to open the radial menu. Select the paintbrush. Type the desired color name or a sequence of colors separated by a comma. Colors should be typed with starting capital letters as per the system.draw.color enumeration. Do I get a list? Red, blue, green. Okay, so assuming I don't have to install that shit myself, let's try it. I bet I do. Alright, little guy. Paintbrush icon. I don't see it. Nope. Nothing. Not a damn thing. Fuck. Okay, of course. So it seems like lightning in a bottle. I'm super. Yeah, Christopher Walzak. Torch. No, it said that there's supposed to be a It said there's supposed to be a paintbrush icon. This just makes me think I actually need to do this. Unzip the TaleSpire custom data folder into your TaleSpire game directory. Merge the contents of TaleSpire custom data exists. So I don't know where... A lot of Lord Ash's plugins make you go do shit, and I don't like that. Like, why can't it just... Like, I have to manually download it. And it's annoying. I mean, it's like a one-time thing, but... There's probably good reason. I'm just complaining my ass off right now. Okay, so this custom data.zip right here, this needs to be extracted. And then I copy this, and then I'm going to paste it into my TaleSpire directory. which is somewhere. Okay, I should just paste it here. Bam. Okay, so it should have added whatever the hell it needed in here. Right? So now I've actually followed the instructions this time. Install the mod, unzip, merged, select the mini, right click, paintbrush icon. Right? So let's get to that check from Twitch randomly. Nice, yeah. I do have that aspect for running high quality games on TaleSpire, but the Strahd game died today? What? They died when they were walking into the castle? Whoa. I wonder if my profile doesn't have them turned on. Okay, okay, here we go. Okay, it just blurbed a bunch of shit at me. Please cross your fingers. Please cross your fingers with me. Please cross your fingers with me. Paintbrush icon. Fuck yeah. Red, blue, green, red, blue, yellow. Oh, look at that, dude. Sick. Sick. And it keeps doing it while it's moving around. That is fucking cool. Oh my god. Blue. Is light blue a thing? Light blue? Or is that, did it go white? I can't tell. Blue, dark blue? What are the color? Oh, dark blue is a color. Blue, dark blue, magenta, teal. No! Dude, at the end it switches like 2 colors. That is fucking cool as hell. So, yeah. Okay, so, that's neat. Very fucking cool. Lord Ashes. Alright, oh, Knockdown. So we have Knockdown. Can I knock him down? So, that was the GlowBase plugin. What do we got now? Knockdown plugin. Knockover plugin. View on website. I'm assuming all of his stuff is going to be the same thing, where it's like, go put this thing in your custom data folder. Unzip into your custom data folder. Okay, yep. Manual download. We know the drill, right? Show in folder, unzip, unzip. Knockdown. Custom data. We are now experts at the custom data folder. Maybe. Fuck. I have so many things open. Like downloads. Okay, here's Steam library, TaleSpire custom. Here we go. Alright, TaleSpire. Paste. Maybe I should do all of them while I'm out here. Nah. I probably have to restart then. Yeah, I get this stuff. What are his other ones? Base icons? I might as well just get them fucking all. Let's see if base icons needs it too. Icons. Same deal. To install the accompanying icons, move the TaleSpire custom data folder, including all subfolders, into your TaleSpire game directory. Yeah, so same deal. So let's just get it now. Show folder. Oops, this one went. Okay. Paste. Okay, it's custom. That's GlowBase, Knockdown, base icons, and then Hollow Foxes. I don't need to do any of this stuff. So it should be all of it. Boo-doo-doo-da, boo-doo-doo-da. GlowBase plugin is awesome. It's amazing what these, it is so amazing what these developers are accomplishing in like a day. And like one day, Lord Ashes is like, oh yeah, how about a GlowBase plugin? How about a Icons plugin? How about like, and it's like in one day, it's like the first version of all of them. It's just amazing. Okay, so Glow plugins working. Let's kill this guy. GM tools, hide, enable torch, KO. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? All right, let's really try this shit out. KO. Boop. That's funny. But you could actually use that for I don't know, if a raptor's chasing you up a tree, you know? That is so cool. Boop. It has taken Bouncy Rock an embarrassingly long time to provide something like this. And Lord Ashes does it in like a day. This is wild. Is this like light up there really bright, or is this me? I feel like my color's washed out. A little bit. Here. I want to turn it down a little bit. Whoa, I just turns it off. I don't know if it's any better. So yeah, okay, apparently, no. Christopher Walzak, they don't. I don't believe so. I can ask him. For the mini knockdown and base color stuff, do all players need the plugin? From my understanding, I think is no. Unless, I mean, I could be wrong. It could be local only. But I think he's a little more thorough than that. If it's not networked, it's just a matter of time. Well, that's very cool. That is super cool. Next, base icons. Okay, so this guy's poisoned. Wait, it's a hotkey. Control I. Whoa. Character sheet style. Oh, does it have a... It has a conflict. Yeah, I think the mini token thing has a conflict. Let me find it here. chat roller, handouts, local text, blah blah blah, states. Here we go. Yeah, I think Control I conflicts with the character sheet plugin. Yeah. Can be changed in R2 Modman. Okay, so let's config it. Icons. So we're going to change icons from I plus left control to I plus right control. I don't know, what's something that's not fucking used? Control E? E plus left control? Okay. Wait. What's happening? Oh, wait. Does that mean it's working? Frozen. I'm having some issues with my states plugin for sure. Yeah, my states plugin's fucking weird. Okay, so let me... So Control E I apparently have set to my states. S plus left control. Why is Control E? What the hell? Why is Control E changing states? It should not be. Hey, what's up, Talladega? Mr. Zerkun says, don't have much time tonight, but I'm really excited importing assets and minis. Here. Okay, let's. I'm gonna fuck all this stuff. Let's do the asset import stuff then. How about that? Okay, he said you select the mini that you want to replace, and you push. What do you push? Thunderman. Here it is. Press Control 1 to change the selected mini. So I'm going to change this Yeti to a Aarakocra Monk. Or an Aarakocra Gunslinger. Are we ready? Bam! Bam! And I want to replace this guy here with an Asimar, maybe. Well, it's not letting me open it now. Uh-oh. Oh, it's not working now. So close. Maybe I need one that hasn't been fucked with. Uh-oh. Control 1 is now no longer doing the thing. Oops. What have I done? This is normal when you quit if you have plugins installed. So that worked. And per HoloFox, if you have the custom mini plugin installed and someone does that, and you don't have the mini, it will prompt you if you want to go download the asset pack that has them. So I'm gonna change states to like Control 2. 2 plus left control. And then I want to change icons to Control 3. 3 plus left control. Use highlight performance. Use this. I don't know what that means. Save. Okay. And a huge warning: all of these plugins are super like alpha plugins. This is just the very first incarnation of these things. So expect them to just get better. Plugin testing. Okay. I'm gonna try the other ones first. So Control 2. What? Control 2. Why did Control 2 open this menu? Okay, so it says I don't have it. So we'll try downloading it. What the fuck? It just placed him like over there randomly with no base? Can I grab him? I can't grab him. Oh, Hollow Fox. What's happening here? Let's try a different token. Okay, so step 1, Control 2 should not have triggered this plugin, for starters. Control 1 also triggers this. So I'm going to change it with the monk. So this is correct. I don't know why that guy, when I selected it, it popped the dude over there. I wonder if they're connected. Like if I kill it? This guy's just like a rogue. This guy's just like a rogue dude over here. Okay. So now let's try another one. Control 1. Okay, so if I try to do it with another one, it fails. Good to know. And all of my control buttons are dead now. Control E is still my custom mini plugin added effect. Poisoned. But the text still does not display. Let's try navigating to a new board and going back again. What was the conflict with importing Hero Forge minis? It's just, oh wow, this guy came with me. Are you just now forever on the board? He's my forever mini. Apparently. Hollow Fox, make it stop. This guy stayed persistent. This guy persisted. So, importing Hero Forge minis is just a much longer process. Is all. I mean, I need to like actually get the Hero Forge minis, and there's a walkthrough. There's a whole walkthrough to go through, converting Hero Forge tokens for TaleSpire, and it requires a bunch of skills I don't have. Like retopologizing and doing ambient occlusion and metallic textures and fixing the specular channel. These are like words that I don't even quite understand. Emissive and diffusive check. Yeah, so it can be done. It is not easy like this yet. At some point it will be, but we're just not there. Just bring out some custom chess pieces. Ooh. Learn that a good chess set has the king 9.5 centimeters, almost 4 inches tall. Wow. He's the one with the board. He is the board. Yeah, this Aasimar, is he an Aasimar? This Aasimar cleric is now a permanent fixture on this board. So why is it that Control E, despite me changing it in the configuration, okay, on fire. I need to fix that fucking plugin. That's what I need to do. All right, so so there's still some time before it's commercially viable. Yes, Mr. Zirkun. And they're just now getting there. I mean, Hollow Fox at least made replacing these guys palatable. So it's just a matter of time before they're gonna let you, not let you. The modders will find a way. This is just version 1. I mean, version 1 is already pretty fucking sexy, if you ask me. Okay, so I'm gonna try deleting. Actually, no, this guy is forever with us. What's up, man? Should we switch campaigns and see if he follows us? This other random, well, that's not mine. I don't wanna go to Barovia. Actually, I don't wanna fuck that up either. Asset library. Let's see if we have a Asimar cleric here. Nope. I think it might just be that campaign. Weird. Huh. Anyway. Have a great night, Mr. Shirkun. Yeah, actually switching, oh, that's interesting. Switching campaigns made him go away. All right, I need to write this shit down. Let me go to, where is it? Custom, no, it's Thunderman, this one. Time to go log some bugs, log some bugs. Log some bugs. Where's your GitHub link, yo? Fuck, where's the GitHub link? Is there no GitHub link? There almost always is. Am I just not seeing it? Oh, here it is. This is the one I'm gonna hit. Oh, that is the one I just hit. There's a download link, but I want to go to. Oh, this is not This is not an open source one. This is one that I think Holofox is working on by himself. It has a bunch of dependencies, but I don't think this is a free one. So I'll just send him a message directly, is what I'll do. Because we're friends. Okay. A few bugs with Thunderman. After replacing one mini from the asset pack, the hotkey doesn't work to replace another. Also, I randomly managed to get a model to appear without being attached to a token. Maybe I didn't have a token attached when I did it and it just like loads it at 00. It persisted when I changed boards, but went away when I navigated to another campaign and back. Neat. All right, are you ready for hide volume groups? Oh, should we go set up a game ready Glitterhame? Gross. You'll see why. Okay, game ready Glitterhame. What do I need to do to make the game ready Glitterhame? Actually, this is me trying to like start it, but I don't think I knew. Oh, fuck me. Oh, Glitterhame hurts. It hurts. So, hide volume groups. So, for example, Actually, I'm probably not going to need them. When the players first arrive, they're going to see down to about here. Man, I wish I could remember where I put my hide volumes on this thing. I mean, I should be able to see it. There should be seams. But maybe I didn't. Maybe I wasn't diligent. Because all of this here I think it's such a pain in the ass. Okay, so what's a better example? This is just a bad example of where I would do hide volume groups. Okay, so here's a good one. So say they enter this, they enter from over here. As soon as they enter this room, I'm going to want a hide volume here, because this wall is going to block their vision, right? So this will be here. And this isn't actually probably what I would do, but you maybe get what I'm trying to say. So when they enter, they'd see up to this wall. They would not see on the other side. They would see here. To here, we'll say. And like this back wall. But they're not going to see down the stairs. They should probably see the plants and everything right there, though. This side can keep that. So when they enter, this will be revealed, this will be revealed. This is still going to be hidden because it can't, like, you know, see down there. They probably can't see the stairs from where they are. They can probably see the edge of this wall like that. They just can't see the other side. Then this whole room is going to be filled with nonsense like this, where it's just like this funky shape here. I mean, there's probably going to be well over, well, maybe not 100 hide volumes, but a lot. I don't really want it to have that wall right there. On the inside, anyway. Well, I mean, no, they would see it from the outside. No, they think about it. That's a tricky one. Anyway, I'm not actually doing this. This is supposed to just be a demo. God damn it. So a lot of this room would be shaped like this, where basically long strips of hide volume, because the room is like way irregular. And what I can do now is I can say this is going to be a group. This is, oops, sorry. Remove from group. So create group, add to group, add to group, and add to group. So when I reveal this, click, click. Oh, there's like a whole group thing. Hide group, show group. So now I can show that whole group. And like this guy will stay hidden. Like that. So when they arrive in this chamber, all I have to do is reveal the first one, and it will automatically reveal this one, this one, this one, probably all the way out to the main section of the Glitterham. That's my guess. Yeah, like probably like this whole chunk of it. Ish. Even with the high volume groups, this is gonna take me so fucking long. It's gonna take me so long to do this, but now it's actually worthwhile to do. And now I kind of secretly, I want to use this group now. Use this group, and I'm gonna click this guy, I'm gonna do set group, so now it adds it to it. Like that. Yeah, hide volume groups, so good. So good. This is probably gonna take me 2 or 3 hours, I bet, to get them all set up again. I wonder if I could find, well, even if I find the old one, all the hide volumes are different now. So there you have it, folks. That was the GlowBase, Knockdown, base icons. Actually, did we get base icons working? I don't think we got base icons working. I think base icons shared a hotkey or some shit. They still do. What did I change base icons to? 3 plus... Oh, I bet... Do I have to hit 3 first or something? Plus 3. I don't know. Maybe that matters. Left control plus 2. And it's not like num2 or something weird, right? What is this? M plus left control is transform. Oh, it's because it's fucking eat. Oh my god. That's why. Okay, like, modders need to come up with some kind of conventions for their hotkeys because they're all over the place. Have conflicting hotkeys. Cat crying face. Okay, so add effect, I don't really care about right now. So how about control N? Don't give a shit. So that should get me my control E back, or my, wait. Alpha 5. What is alpha 5? Alpha 7, alpha 8. Okay, here are all the different animations. Okay, the character sheet plugin is conflicting with do we need to control C? No, control stop. We need to stop using control. What, alt I? Left alt. I could also just turn them off. It's like control P is doing shit now. The F keys are doing stuff now. Thunderman is on... Oh, so it is alpha 1, not the number 1. Control 1 and control 2. Apply aura. Oh, okay, so that's why control 2 is being fucking weird. Oh, when I selected a mini that one time, note for the persistent mini, I think I selected it when after I hit the apply aura hotkey. So I think that's what happened. To get the phantom cleric, I did the apply aura and then I selected it. And it is alpha 1, alpha 2, not just like the number 1, number 2, which answers some other fucking questions. God damn it. I need to fucking... Okay, so states. So I have states, icons. What do I want to be what? I want control 1 to be states. Icons are 2. This stuff starts at 4. Character sheet can be control I, that's or I guess it's alt I. Thunderman is going to be alpha 3. This is going to be alt 3. Oh my god, so getting a little ridiculous. Image to plane is still F, that's good. And handouts is still Control P. Jeez. Okay, let's try it again. You can do it, you can quit. I have faith. I'm only massively, massively abusing TaleSpire. Okay, states are on 1. Icons are on 2. Something's on 3. Something useful, I hope. Something fucking useful is on 3. Let's try it, let's test them all again. Colors? No, colors I just click. Okay. Not sure what's going on there. He's like a tiny little guy. Mother. Alright, none of my... Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, wait. Control 1, no. So I think somebody's typing in alpha and someone's not. So I'm going to replace this guy with the guy with the bagpipes. Works fine. Stand this guy up. Control 3, replace this guy with the monk. Okay, now we're cooking. And I do not remember what Control 4 was. Nothing. Okay, stand this guy up. Control I should now be free. Or not. Control I, Alt I. Okay, so that's their character sheet is Alt I. Alt 1, Alt 2, Alt 3, Alt 4. Okay, wait. So that's my aura selector. The aura selector does not have a different dialogue. The aura select dialogue is not different than mini. Might be an issue. I'm determined to get the states thing working. That was really cool, and I want to see the icons too. And I think it's just hotkey conflicts. I think maybe one of the devs is using the like alpha 1, alpha 2, like this, right? Alpha, and another is not. Alpha, alpha, alpha 3. I just typed that in. So, states did not work. Default is S plus left control. Can I just change it to its default? Here. Let's just do that. S plus left control. Sure. Okay, back to the defaults. Default here is I plus left control. And I'm actually gonna turn off the character sheet plugin. Wait. No, config editor. Okay. So we're turning off character sheets completely. Custom mini. Oh shit! You have another. I did a control N on something else. Okay, so alpha left control is animation, a bunch of animations. What if I change those to like alpha numpads or something? This is F5. That needs to be changed. Fucking, I don't know, F8. What do I do at this? This is working. Hollow Foxes is working on Control 3, Alt 3. Lord Ash's stuff on Control 1, Control 2 is not working. Image the planes on the F keys, and then handouts, Control P. Okay, so hopefully, hopefully states on the fucking default of Control S works. Honestly, I really like that plugin. Then I plus left control. Let's try it. Let's try it again. Ba-do-do, ba-do-do. There's the man of the hour, Hollow Fox. We're taking a look at all the stuff. So your stuff is working. There's a huge conflict of hotkeys, Hollow Fox, and it is a big pain in the ass. A big pain in the ass. Like you're doing stuff on Control Alpha 1, 2, 3, and so is Lord Ash's, and it's just a pain in the ass. These guys get squirrely when they look at the size of that one. Maybe I should delete all these ones and put new ones out. How about that? Okay. Alright, you. Generic dude. Fucking hell. Control 1. Control S. Okay, on fire. Dude, my states are not fucking working. Oh, dude, I have another one. I have a happy token here. I can't. It's there. I just can't fucking see it. What the hell? Oh man, you know what? That should always face. This should do the same camera trick that here, let me change the background color. I feel like I would have caught that earlier. And then it was Control I. What is this? What the fuck? That is not what I meant to do. Uh-oh. Oh no! That's not good. What has happened? Oh, there's something on the mini. Okay, my brain's a little broken. Whoa. Hey, Lemurian Settler! The rating UI should cut keybind. Yeah. So the hotkey that is supposed to open the icon thing is not working. And in fact, I got this scary looking thing. I mean, maybe it destroyed that board. I think it's an aspect of that token. I think if I delete the token, oh no, now we're fine. So I select it, I hit Control I, and what happened last time is it opened the radial menu. That's weird. So now Control I is not doing anything. What the fuck? I can still enter creature states. So creature icons, I'm having trouble. Huh. Any ideas, Hollow? I want to see the little icons. His video is so good. I plus left control. I mean, as far as I can tell, it should be working. Icons plugin. Icons are toggled from the GUI menu. I think he includes the default icons. Did you move the icon images in the right locations? It said just to copy paste it into the... Oh god, did his instructions tell me what to do? Okay. Okay, modify the available icons, please. Place 64 by 64 PNG files into the directory here. Does he not include any default ones? And no, don't put them here, D drive. You put them wherever they are on your machine. Is it not an L? I mean, Control I makes sense to me for like icon. L would be, I mean, maybe? I mean, it's impossible to tell if that's a capital I or a lowercase l, right? L, 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 L. I. Hang on. L, 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 L. I think, is that a fucking L? No. What? You might be right. You might be right. Well, I changed it to I. Well, let's go see if there's let's go see if there are icons also. That will help. Okay, where the fuck did you say to put it? Common custom data images icons. Custom data. Wait, what? Oh my god! That's funny. So these are the status icons. That's weird though, right? There should be a default in a zip, but you see what I'm saying though, like in his icons directory are also his icons for his other plugins. That doesn't seem right. I mean, I guess you could add a paintbrush as an icon if you wanted. Yeah, let me go see if I just didn't fucking get his God. Oh. There's a folder. Sorry, you guys have to like watch me navigate my garbage. What the fuck do you mean? Oh, I'm gonna rage so fucking hard here in a minute. Yes, to all. And where the fuck did you put it? Oh my god, forget it. We're going to the desktop, folks. Images, icons. There's no defaults. The only icons he has in here are his icons for his like other plugins. My phone is like go nuts. So I just need to go get an icon. Okay, I've got an icon. Oh Christ, where do I have icons? It's like stream stuff. Yeah, here we go. I don't know how big these are. 401, 112, 56 by 56. There. Do they have to be 64 by 64? They do. Fine. I mean, he has like a bunch of really cool ass looking icons. Okay then. Yeah, I really wish that he just would have included a his own little pack that he was using in the demo video. That would have been convenient. Start modded. That does answer questions though, because I hit the button and it just popped up with paintbrush and the KO icon, and I thought that it had fucked up and it was like displaying something else. Okay. Status icons. Blowing it up. Please tell me that was a... Nope. Shit. Are you coming with me? If I create a new board? Not ideal. It's not good. Plugin testing 2. Assuming you need the plugin on client and server DM side. Oh, hey, HoloFox, do you know if for the state plugins or any of this other stuff, go away tutorials, if everybody like has to have the plugins, or like what happens if they don't? Do we know any of that stuff? Okay, so I have a water elemental. Control I. Fucking nothing. Control L. Dude. Oh, did we not figure it out? I'm gonna do I plus left control. Could have swore I put something in there and saved it though. This is why QA is good. Just to advocate for thinking about the user experience. This is kind of a pain in the ass. Selected. Control I, nothing. Control L, nothing. I change it to left control fucking I. Is it conflicting with something else? I got my icons in here. Nothing. I wonder if the disabled what the fuck? So character sheets is also on, no, it's on Alt-I. Wait, hey, it cleared it. It didn't save it. I plus left control. Save. That was weird. You saw that, right? So it depends on the mod. If it uses states plugin, then everyone needs the relevant mod. I wonder if it does it like warn you or show you or say anything. Not that if Lord Ashes could somehow get it so that we didn't have to automatically do the paste the custom data folder every time, that would be ideal. Even if like when you load it up in TaleSpire, it's like, hey, select your custom data folder, please. Alright, fucking control, goddamn I. Ho, ho, there it is, there it is. You see it? I saw it. It does like a pop-up though. So I got my fern. Oh, look, a little fern icon! And a little KO icon. Or not. Okay, paintbrush icon is bad. Okay, so I'm gonna post a bug for that one. I don't know if you all caught that, but I definitely caught it this time. Icons plugin. GitHub. Issues. New issue. Default. Wait, they're not. Are they the default icons? Because normally that folder would technically be empty. I'm gonna say icons conflict with KO and base paint plugins. When hitting, if you install, here I'll give you something. Give you guys something neat to look at while you're waiting. By the way, Black Lake's done. In case you didn't know, Black Lake is finished. I think it's pretty gorgeous. Actually, not really. It's gorgeous if you're like zoomed way the fuck in. From a distance, it looks kind of like garbage. There you go. You can look at beautiful blue glow while I do this. Okay, if you install the knockout, it's a GlowBase, right? GlowBase. And GlowBase. Base icons plugins. If you activate the base icon menu, it allows you to select the icons for the other plugins. If you do so, things seem to break. Selecting the paintbrush causes half the board to become bright white. Removing the paint brush menu fixes this. I think selecting the KO icon didn't do anything. Doesn't do anything. I guess we might as well get some screenshots. So how's everybody doing tonight? How's your Tuesday? I'm pretty exciting. These plugins are fucking rad. They're so good. So Control I. Control fucking I. Control L. Control I. What the fuck? Okay, so, if I log back out and my hotkey is cleared, like, that's a bug. Just need to copy the KO icon from the zip into the right location. You tested it yesterday? I mean, I'll test it again right now if it would fucking work. Config editor. If this is empty. Okay, I plus left control. Maybe when I selected and removed the paintbrush, like, that got it in a weird state. So, Hollow, it is in the right location. It is there. I need to look at the KO. Maybe I wasn't looking at the token bottom close enough. I couldn't see it. I didn't see that it added a KO to the bottom. And they are in the right place because the other plugins put them there. I did not move them. They're in the custom data images icons directory. Watch. So now, you saw me select KO, right? No, I'm saying KO is showing up as an icon, as is Paintbrush, and they fucking break shit. Because they are showing up because they are placed in the icons directory. No, I think it's behaving exactly like it should. It's displaying all the shit in this icons directory. But I don't think that the Paintbrush plugin, I don't think the GlowBase plugin and the KO plugin should be putting them here. Or whatever the icons plugin is, it should have a way for you to not select them. Or they just shouldn't fucking break shit. Really. Well, let's see if it does it again. And I can screenshot this. Let's see, Paintbrush. I'm gonna do OR KO. Removing the icons. See, let me fix this. And then yeah, once you do select it, it like does bad things. Boop. I agree. Very weird. Okay. Now we'll put expected behavior. Expected behavior. The KO or in paintbrush icon either cannot be selected, or they don't break things if you do select them. You never know. You might want to have a cow with a paintbrush, with a paintbrush icon. You never know. But I definitely want one with a fern icon. Yeah, fear that fern icon. And then this one too. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. I did not select fern for you, dude. Why are you fern enabled? Okay, what the fuck just happened? Okay, so I'm gonna click. You saw that, right? It gave the fern to the other one. Maybe it was just a combination of a bug. Okay, the actual steps that I took were Control I, this thing, did some screenshots, Control I, remove it, Control I, fern, what? And then I clicked him. Does the menu always appear in the center of the screen? It does, okay. I definitely managed to select a fern for this one when I didn't select it from the menu. Seems we're gonna find now. What was the other one? States on fire. Red, teal, green, dark green. Oh yeah! That is pretty cool. But wait, there's more. Control 3. You're now Kenku Ranger. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that Kenku Ranger. You are now. Oh, come on. Work. Hello. We're doing so well. Now my Control 3 is not working. Uh-oh. Creature upload manager add upload. Excuse me, commit non-unique creatures upload creatures load manager upload. Okay, what? It doesn't think I have something selected? Oh, animation 1 key press. Something thinks I want to run an animation and I don't. But it shouldn't because Control 1, Control 2. I just used Control 3 to make this guy, this Kenku, a thing. The shit. Oh. That's a thing. Is this a known bug, you think? What just happened there? A lot of mods to use radial and things will be better off. Hey, Inferno Mock. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I agree. This does look amazing. These plugins are really, really, really cool. I mean, they are in like alpha. Oh, see now the fern comes back. So when you switch boards, they disappear. And then when you click them, they come back. It's a new issue. Icons. Icons disappear when changing boards. Then redisplay when a token is clicked. If you add icons to a token, then navigate to another board, the icons come with you. See screenshot. When you navigate back to the original board, the tokens do not have the icons. If you click the token bases, the icons reappear. Okay, so let's go through that again. So remove this stuff, remove that stuff. We're gonna add ourselves a fern, navigate. We've got ferns with us here. Then navigate back. Ferns are gone. Click, click. Yep, okay. So actually I should change that into steps to reproduce. So 1, actually gonna do numbers. 1. Add Add an icon to a token. 2. Navigate to another board. Can I indent? Whoops, no. Notice. Icons display. Icons display. 4. Navigate back to the original board. Notice. Icons are gone. Click token bases. Bop, 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 ba-da, ba-da. You had an idea? It would be a good idea. Good shoot! Inferno Mock. We're all about bullshitting about D&D. Hit me! Okay. That was it, right? One Piece and Pirates. So, I've played a bunch of D&D that was pirate based. I'm trying to remember the goddamn name of it though. Seventh Saga, Seventh Seas, Legend of the Five Rings, something like that. I think it was Asian. Pirate D&D is fun. Water's dangerous. I don't know about I wasn't a fan of the One Piece anime. Legend of the Five Rings, yeah. It isn't pirate based, it's about the lore of the world. Oh, just D&D in the world of One Piece. Maybe? Hey, what's up, Abject Nut? Hey, Abject, you want to see something fancy? Welcome, everybody. Oh, also, Abject Nut, if you don't know, Abject Nut runs his D&D games, and then he writes, his sessions are actually writing his notes from the games, and it's very cool and entertaining, and you should go fucking follow him. Ready to see? Okay, I'm going to do a 5-second rundown of all the plugins from tonight. Number 1, GlowBases. Watch this. How about blue, dark blue, red, teal? Bam. What do you think of that? And it keeps going while you're moving around and shit. And I think it's only when you have it selected. So, that's one. The next one is knocking him down. So we have a KO. Next are base icons. And actually right now, all I have is my fern. But what you can do is you can just put a bunch of icons in this directory. And they'll show up on the base right there. You can have up to 3 at a time. Next up, you might find this, you might think this one's kind of impressive. Hollow Fox actually wrote it. He's in the chat right now. So I select this to go, come on, work. Damn it. Control 3, Control 4, Control 2. Nope. Here, let me exit out and load it up again. We'll see if it'll work. I don't know why, it, like, every once in a while, Hollow, it just dies. Doesn't do it. Christopher Walzak, I think everybody has to have the plugin. But I mean, that's like, I mean, it's as easy as just clicking a button that's like, download the plugin. Where is Thunderman? It should be left control 3. It totally, I got it. I used it like 100 times. So HoloFox created a plugin that allows you to select a mini from an asset pack to replace the current mini that you have selected. All this stuff is like alpha plugins and stuff, but we are really close to what I would call a commercial or a consumer ready version of it. I can send you my error logs probably. All right, you. There, control 3, it worked. So now, this is a list of assets that are from some plugins that I got. So I got like the Asimar plugin, or the Asimar token pack, and the Arakocra token pack. So I can just do this and just be like, bam. Look at that. That guy's a paladin now. It'll only do it once, Hollow. I do it once and then it's done doing it. The Dizzy 123. So what's wild and exciting about this particular one is that if I try to load in a mini and you have the, so this is like, this plugin's actually a combination of plugins, right? So this one that HoloFox made is the Thunderman plugin. If you also have Thunderman installed and I use it to load a mini, you'll see a prompt that will say, hey, someone's loading a mini that you don't have. Do you want to load it? And you just click a button and it goes and gets it for you. It's sick. Sick. Yeah, it's fucking rad. This is fucking rad. And then also there's a hide volume plugin that really matters to me. I don't know how many DMs it's like really a drop dead deal for, like it is for me. But HoloFox created a plugin that allows you to group hide volumes, which is a fucking absolute you have to. So for example, here's the Glitterhame. When the players are in the Glitterhame, and say they enter this room right here, and normally everything here would be hidden. When they walk in here, I have to know, okay, this hide volume, this hide volume, this hide volume, and this hide volume need to be revealed. But what I can do is create a group here, and Hollow, this has to persist, yo. Set group, set group, set group, set group. So now, I can reveal this whole group, so I know when they walk in here, they do it. And HoloFox, I don't know why it didn't persist just now. Like I thought if I like leave the board and come back, that my hide volume groups should persist. I'm gonna cry if they don't, because I fucked up. Damn it, they don't. Hollow. Oh, it doesn't persist yet. Okay, good. I thought I was doing something wrong. In Fernomac, which program? I thought you meant that it doesn't persist when someone does a board import. Oh, yeah, they need to persist, man. They've gotta somehow, some way. I was even thinking if there was a token, if there was just like a random fucking token out here somewhere that was like, I'm your hide volume group controller, don't delete me, or something. You're building the strongest level 12 build you can. Define strong. I'm sure it's a feature he left out on purpose and will never implement it. Yeah, exactly. He just... Sorry, that'll be another, oh, just this contractors. Sorry, we're gonna have to buy some licensing to some software. That'll be another couple $1,000s, please. You've already spent $20,000, what's another $3,000? Oh, you've already spent $23,000, what's another $10,000? Like, nickel and, oh. You added persistent to your Trello board for it? Melee attack strong, so from 600 plus? Jesus. It's a Patreon feature. No. That would be, oh my, that would be the most brutal paywall. You could have hide volume groups, but you have to be a Patreon for them to persist after you leave the fucking board. Oh my god, that would be so, what a bastard. Oh man. Hey, Dizzy, set it up in Baldur's Gate 3. See if it carries over your sick build. Oh. Welcome everybody. I'm Demon Gun. This is TaleSpire, and we're looking at a bunch of cool mods tonight. I think that was pretty much all of them, wasn't it? States, icons, custom mini plugin, GlowBase, knockover. The radial UI stuff is looking really, really good. Thunderman's. I don't know what the stat messaging thing is. I think it's a back-end one. So these are 2 demo packs that were added by HoloFox, and that's what's populating that list of like mini replacements or whatever. And so in the future, I imagine someone's gonna have the like dwarf asset pack and the whatever the hell asset pack, and they'll actually, you know, look good. But it's, yeah, it's just a matter of time now. It's just a matter of time. And like Lord Ashes did like 3 plugins in a day, basically. The knockover, GlowBase, and icons, I think he did in a day. Oh, and animations are coming too. Baldur's Gate 3 the game, I don't think they have the subclasses available yet. Yeah. So everything is wired up for animations as well. This is going to be really cool. I mean, when you can have like idle animations for your stuff, when you can have, I'm really curious about, I mean, Bounty Rock has a definite aesthetic that they're going for, and it's going to be blown into a billion pieces very quickly. You know, they have this whole sense of like, well, we don't want animated tokens, but blah, blah, blah. I don't think they're going to have a choice. I think that, yeah, I really don't think they have a choice in it anymore. Once it's in the wild, and it basically, this is it getting into the wild. We're in the wild now. Right? We're in the wild now. In case they were not aware. Oh yeah, the character sheets plugin. I don't know if you guys have seen the character sheets plugin. But you can have a little character sheet that shows up in TaleSpire, and it like makes little rolls and stuff. I think I disabled it because it was interfering with some shit. And the handouts plugin. One of my favorites is the image to plane plugin. Probably my desktop. I'll probably put it there. This guy here. It's so bright. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's a fog too. Or it's a day-night cycle. There we go. It's very mathematical. I trust you. I believe you. No need to convince me. Oh man, what an exciting fucking day. So what I'm gonna do, hopefully, probably not by Thursday. I don't see myself having the time to do it by Thursday, but by next Tuesday, I would like to have cracked the code on getting Hero Forge minis into TaleSpire. It does not look simple, but I think it would be a big fucking deal. I mean, this is what everybody wants right now. This is the people shouting from the fucking rooftops. This is what people want. And I don't know, hey, I don't know, Hollow, if this is something that I can post a bounty for. Is this something that's beyond the scope of like what could even be done? What I would want to do is have a program that opened a prompt that was like, upload your Hero Forge token, please. And then it goes, here you go. Put this in your whatever directory, and you're done. Time, Dizzy. Just time. I mean, I would just need to sit down and like work with, there's a couple of different tools here. There's this thing called, there's Asset Studio. I need to go to Hero Forge, I need to get the Unity 3D package, load it into Asset Studio, do some shit to it, export all models. Retopolize it. Oh, so use this free tool called Balancer Light to do some shit. Then I need to load up the pink normal map. Do the individual channels for the image, copy blue to red, alpha to green, blah, 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 blah. Or I can use this tool. Then I have to combine some shit. So it's just like, it's just a lot. We can do that, just not automated yet, and we can't redistribute Hero Forge minis due to TOC. Yeah. But I have to pay to, like, get the mini, right? Okay, let me put it another way. What about if I got an STL from, I guess literally anywhere? What if I go to, I mean, actually I don't know the difference between like an STL and a, like, I guess they're all free. So like, what am I after? I'm after the Trask. Trask. Right, so what do I want to do? Here's what I want to do. I want to get this. Oh, this is actually an object file. Never mind. This would already... I want to hand you an object... Fuck, I don't know what I want to do. HeroForge owns the mini 3D file, but you own the character copyright. Difference is the licensing. Yeah. So here's what I want. I want a tool where... So actually this is an object file. Should we test this? Let's test this. Let's test it. License. What? What is this? What's happening? Downloads. Trash.zip. Show in folder. 7-zip. Files. Images. Alright, so if I have this file, theoretically I can go to custom data, new folder, Tarrasque, paste it in here, and then What do I do, Hollow? What do I do, Hollow? Would it still infringe on them if you paid for your own model and had to convert it? Yeah. So the trouble, the Dizzy, is that once you bring it into TaleSpire, it's going to distribute it to Bouncy Rock's servers and all of your friends' computers. So basically, you have given an asset that's owned by Hero Forge to TaleSpire, or to Bouncy Rock, which is like not good, and they could probably get the shit suit out of them. So that's the trouble, is all this stuff is stored on Bouncy Rock servers to get it distributed to other players. So we're going to do an experiment. We're going to do an experiment, folks. We're going to... here's what we're going to do. We're going to try to get this TARRASQUE. And it is in the custom mini tool. And I think it just says to put it in a particular directory. But I'm also an idiot. And I always read his instructions wrong. Okay, so adding OBJ MTL content video, and all he does is put them in a folder with a specific name in that directory. So it's going to be TaleSpire custom data minis, right? Wizard01, wizard01.obj. So we've got Robo, and we've got the TARRASQUE, right? They appear to be in the right place. It's not an asset bundle, I don't think. Each mini can have one... Oh, god damn it, look at Control E. The effects shortcut, Control E. Each mini can have one effect. I don't care about effects. Adding custom content. Each piece of custom content needs... I don't have an MTL file. Yes, Hollow, correct. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try using CMP to do it. But I don't have an MTL file. Does it matter? I mean, an MTL file is just like a bunch of fucking text, isn't it? Steam apps, common data, minis, content name. MTL, it does matter? Okay, then what am I supposed to do with this OBJ file? Nothing? Do I find a different file then? But it's fine if it doesn't have a texture. I'm fine with it looking like the Aarakocra or whatever. It'll just be a whatever the default material is, right? Can I load it in and just have it be white? Like if I mean, I don't care. I just want to get it in and see if it works. Or I can go find another one, or if anybody has an example file. I was having a hell of a time finding anything that had a MTL and OBJ. Bong. Like, I don't know how to search for that. It'll be bright pink. It can be bright pink. That's okay. Where do I go find things that have OBJ and MTL files? What's the site for that? Free. Here. Actually, this is the search that I did. And I came up here. Fong is the default texture on many old 3D software. Whoa, what is this? This is not what I was after. There's an RPG. Oh, CG Trader. Dude, like, look at this guy. And see, it says OBJ MTL right there. See it? The fucking Sylvanas? Oh my god, it's Sylvanas. Sick. Oh, this is variant. Okay, and it says OBJ MTL here. Right? But usually when I go to download it, it doesn't actually have an MTL file. Also, this thing's gonna have like way too many fucking, what is this noise? Jesus Christ. And every single one of them I have to wait like 20 or 30 seconds. I'm curious just to try to load in that TARRASQUE as it is and see what happens. See, there's an OBJ but no MTL. What the fuck am I supposed to do with that? This is what makes me think it doesn't matter. So is the... I mean, its scale could be insane. Yeah, I'm not super worried about that. I just... It can get in the game and be fucking whack large, or that's fine. These are going to be against Twitch fucking terms of service? They're hot though. Look at that. So it's just an OBJ file. There's no... Alright, well, we're going to try it with this TARRASQUE. I'm thinking. What was the button? Custom mini plugin. Shit, what was the button? If you want, I can quickly compile a TARRASQUE view, but it defeats the point. Why does it defeat the point? I just need I need an OBJ and an MTL file that works. That's it. Animation and poses, retransform, restart. Okay, Control M by default. All right, little Dragonborn dude here. Hey, look at that! We conflict with M, and it won't work. Nice. Okay, so I guess I should change my key map here to change the line tool from something else. This is what's so weird. It's like, okay, Control M now conflicts with use rulers. I don't, how about like fucking Alt M? No, Alt M. Oh, you're gonna be an asshole. N? No, they're both on N. What's gonna happen when I hit that? Things are gonna get weird. Okay, token selected, Control M. Nothing. Fucking keybinds, I swear to God. Oh, Hollow got me with something. Just rename the MTL to the same thing as the object. Download this. I can do that. Show in folder. Cut. Steam library. rename TARRASQUE. It's assuming I can get this stupid thing to fucking run because of goddamn hotkey conflicts. Some bullshit. Alright, config editor. Custom mini, edit config. Transform M plus left control. Guess what just doesn't work? M plus left control. Which means there's something conflicting with it. You modders need to get this shit straight. Like, what is your hotkey convention, please? Oh, god damn it. I'm gonna guess that I needed to restart because I fucked shit up. Hey, what's up, Jimmy Boo? just go. Yeah, I'm ranting a little bit. We're playing around with a ton of new plugins that you might actually really want to see, dude. They're really pretty good. Right now I'm trying to use the custom mini loader, but I'm not having very much luck. It worked! TARRASQUE. Hello? Oh. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh shit, dude. Okay, we have successfully got a model in. Woohoo! It's way too fucking big. It's way too big. It's way too big. It's off center. Actually, no. This is probably the correct size for the TARRASQUE. The TARRASQUE is really big. Believe it or not, this is probably correct. N3. How tall is it? It's about right. About 100 feet tall. Yeah! Worth. Okay, so this is the custom mini loader. This is only local, and it just replaces a mini with whatever the thing that is that you're wanting to do. This is very different than the one that HoloFox made, which allows you to select a mini like so. Oh man, it's gonna lag out my fucking computer. And select a mini from an asset pack, like the, I don't know, Asimar Male Nature Cleric, and replace a mini like that. Which, Jabibu, I don't know if you just saw that. That was fucking rad. Oh, I can resize it. Oh shit. I don't know. It's very confused about where its base is. Its base, I think, is down here. Oh, fly toggle. I don't want to crash my machine right now. Okay, GM tools. This is as small as it gets. This is as small as it gets. What's weird is, like, this is where its hitbox is. Like, its hitbox is correct. It's just, I think the its tail starts there. So 0, 0 for this thing is its tail versus the middle of the mini. Yeah. Fuck. I can't drive TARRASQUE. Yeah. All right, folks. We fucking did it. We fucking got a TARRASQUE into TaleSpire. Check us out. This will not be shared with other players though. So this sort of custom mini loading would be for like if you're streaming and like you're running the game and everybody's like watching your stream or something. That would be the way to do it. This method here, where we're actually replacing it via like, and it's on the network and stuff, I think is more the future. Is a marriage between these two things, you know, somehow. That said, you could do something like this. This one here, with the Hero Forge stuff. Like with your local party, right? Because it's not sending the 3D files to Bouncy Rock. It's not doing any of that thing. It's just replacing it locally. I mean, it's the same as like with custom League of Legends skins and stuff that you can only see on your local machine. You can't see them on, you know, other players can't see them. So I think there's probably going to be room for both. And I think that some cool stuff is going to come out of this. I think. For example, you know, if your group is fighting Baba Lysaga's hut, right? And someone makes a big-ass Baba Lysaga's hut token. And you fight it, you know, this might be the way to go. Yeah, I don't know how... Bouncy Rock's not going to be cool with, like, a super big... edit, it's world 0 in some 3D software. Oh, that's what it is? Oh, because it's 000 or something. That's... Oh, man, I'm so excited. You don't even know how excited I am for the land of TaleSpire mods. This is going to be so fucking good. When I run a game, it's going to be the most plug-in game ever. I'm going to be using the icons. I'm going to be using the statuses. I'm going to be knocking down tokens, and everyone's going to be on my stream and being like, what the fuck? How are you doing that? And like, easy, go do 2 clicks. Go get plugins. I mean, I don't know if you guys, did anybody, you see the video I made? Probably not. According to YouTube, you have not. Because no one... it's got like 0 fucking views. I'm a little shocked. No, it has 164 views. Here. If any of you are curious, how to get all this stuff running for you, go watch my YouTube video on it. It's very simple. There's like the disclaimer is almost longer than the actual steps for doing this shit. Maybe with enough time, the mod guys can pull off a way to cross over into peer-to-peer. Yeah. I think... I don't know. I'll have to talk with HoloFox. Like, how deep do we want to get with this? Because it's at the point where it's like, do we want to do a peer-to-peer thing? Or do we want to actually stand up a server that is like the TaleSpire modding service broker or what the fuck ever? Like, I would be willing to invest in that, right? But who's the market? I guess at that point it's people making mods. Maybe modders pay us $5 a month to use the server. Or I don't know exactly, but anyway, I had that thought literally just fucking now, and it could be a terrible thought. But if modders, and I'm not saying that users would pay. I'm saying that modders, if they wanted the services of that persistent server and database, would pay $5, or I don't even know, right? I haven't even taken more than 10 seconds to think about it. I just now thought about it. But I don't know if that's harder or easier than doing the peer-to-peer thing. Anyway, cool ideas all around. And I don't think Twitch died all night. It's a little shaky, definitely shaky. Super shaky. My cat was locked in my office for a couple of hours today, and I think I have to replace my network cable again. Just looking at it. Okay, you want to see what a graph looks like that maybe your cat chewed your network cable? That right there. This makes me think maybe my cat chewed on my network cable. Because usually I'm at like 6400 and I'm at 4700, a confused 4700 bitrate. Jesus Christ. Okay, folks. And with that, we are right on schedule, being an hour late, ending the stream. Thanks, Jabibu. It's all you. But I haven't talked to you for a long time, and I'm super excited about this stuff, and I think that you will be too. Definitely, there's a base that allows, there's a plugin that allows you to change the base color. You can knock down minis now. There's little icons you can put on the base, and you can make high volume groups now. But let's go find somebody to raid. Oh, Voivo's on. Oh, hey, Dizzy, if you want to talk like power gaming shit, Voivo is a dude to talk to. Voivo de Kahoo Tech. He does like a really cool arena games. I like watching his streams. It's like high level fucking like super strong creature combat where everybody flies and is invisible, and it's pretty nuts. All right, folks. So today is Tuesday. I'll be streaming again on Thursday. The Black Lake is finished. Patrons have early access right now. Astari gets back from vacation on the 21st. Astari's making our cover art, and Astari's going to make like a big highlight, super cool reel for the Forge of Fury, just like he did with Death House. Also, at my Patreon, people are currently voting for the next Curse